Well, guys, I am very excited. I just got my shipment my order, and it includes our brand spanking new Stampin' Up! Trimmer. Wow. Okay. So this is what this looks like. I'm going to bring the other one out. So this is the old one, and this is the new one. So it's not as high. It doesn't have the leg. So this one has a leg, so it sometimes moves. This one doesn't have that. So this one, okay, how does the leg come out? All right. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Wow, that's nice. So it's flatter than this one. Okay. It has a cutting and a scoring plate. This one is 17 inches. The old one ends at 14, which might be great for scrapbookers. Here we don't have the gap here to figure out where the 6.5 is. Here the 6.5 is right here. Wow, this is cool. This is very cool. It has imperial and metric on there, so that might be a change. So how do I open it up? Ah, okay. Oh, okay. So this is not, yes, there's 1.5 at the old one. This was 1.25. It ended at 1.25. This one goes to 1.5. And yeah, it's the same, so you can cut 1 and 1, so that's good. What this one did not have is, I like that. Because, so let's try this. So we're gonna put this down. There is a different groove. So here is a built-in groove. Here was the one that we had to change and clean out. So let's see. So I brought a piece of old olive cardstock, and I'm gonna cut it to 5.5. Yeah. Ooh, this is smooth. So very nice cut. No problem. Now let's score it at 4.25. Okay, I am gonna have to get used to that. Oh, look at that. It does do a good job scoring. Yes, I like that. Okay, so what else can we do here? So what I like here is that that if I need 3.5, and let's say I have something that's not that long, I can check it up here, because it's down here as well, right? So this is good. I like that middle part where we can do some more cutting. I like that. Perfect. So it's probably gonna get a little looser. Right now it's pretty set. So I guess you open it. I don't know how, oh, up here is okay. So there is handles at the top and the bottom. Not sure what that is for. I'm sure we'll have to see when they come out with the video. The good thing is it will be available starting, I believe, on November. And it does come with 4 replacement. Let's take this out and I'll show you the difference. So here is, these are the replacement cutters. So that's a difference. Here, this one is, you see it's much deeper than this one. This one is, yeah, these are gonna last a lot longer. Wow, this is a well done Stampin' Up. So now let's try to use these and sell them. So I have to double check what the price is. I will post the price when I share the video. How is that? Because it's less than $40. It's I'm not sure now. I don't want to say anything wrong. Anyway, I'm very happy with my new it's so nice. The new Stampin' Up trimmer. Yes. And anybody who would like one, let me know. The current host code is this. It will last to the end of the month. I can take your orders and we'll have it delivered as soon as it's orderable on the 1st of November. And I will have anybody who orders the trimmer, I will come up with a gift for you. Okay? So just check my blog and see what the trimmer reward will be. Thank you for watching.